But the greatest blessing, which we all have, no matter what, no matter how good or bad our karma, no matter how much suffering or pleasure we are having, the greatest gift is that we are human beings. Why is that considered the greatest gift? Because a human being is described as the nearest creature created in the universe, nearest God, nearest the Creator. Man, they say, is made in the image of the Creator. It does not mean the Creator has eyes and ears and like us. Creator has no form. Creator is formless. Then what is common between the Creator and a human being? What is common is the experience of free will. Only these two have a free will. A human being feels he has free will, makes choices, makes decisions, and the Creator, of course, has free will to create the whole world, whole universe. The entire creation is created by the will of the Creator. Now that will is obviously real because it's creating everything. Our will looks real. Our will looks so real that we think we are making decisions every day. We are thrown in the middle of choices. So whether we like it or not, we have to make decisions. So free will is being experienced by us on a daily basis. And this experience of free will, why is it so great? It's great because the free will makes you a seeker of the truth. It is only by free will you say, I want to find who I am. It's only by free will that a person can say, I want to go on the spiritual path. It's a choice you make. And that choice would not be made if you didn't have free will. Therefore, truly speaking, the human life is the greatest life because in this life you can choose to find higher levels of consciousness and go back home to your true eternal consciousness, to a totality of consciousness. It's not possible in any other life. It's not possible if you're plants or animals or birds or angels. Angels are gods, are rulers of different universes. You wouldn't have that opportunity because there the knowledge itself will defeat your free will. The knowledge that everything has been made like this will defeat your experience of free will. Therefore, ignorance is bliss in truth because we don't know what's going to happen in the next second. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We think we are making our decision, what will happen the next moment or what will happen tomorrow.